Today we're going to talk about Kydex holster polishing. Okay guys, so when you finish your holster, I didn't go over this last week because it's really not necessary to do. You don't have to do it at all. But it does make it look real pretty. So it's going to be extremely hard to tell. But I have polished this edge right here, and it feels extremely smooth to my finger. No snags, nothing. This one's just been sanded, and it feels pretty rough. So every professional holster that you ever buy is going to have the finishing touches all polished. So to polish it, I'm just going to use a polishing wheel on a Dremel. There's another polishing wheel, I don't know where I put it right here, that you can use. If you have a bench grinder and a nice big wheel for that, I would absolutely use that, but I don't, so this is what I'm going to use. I also throw just a polishing compound on there. I don't really think it's necessary. This stuff's meant for like metal, and I use this to like polish feed ramps and stuff. I don't know if it does anything for the plastic, but you know, I'm going to throw it on there anyway. Okay, also it's important to notice that anything that's like, so there's a little nick there, polishing won't get that out. So you need to sand that out before you polish. But all these other things, like all these little imperfections, these little bumps, that's what polishing is going to get out, is all of those. Okay, as I've been going, I've been feeling with my finger to see if it feels smooth or rough, and I've got it pretty much completely done. So now the last thing you do is just wipe it down with a rag. So grab your favorite shop rag. Okay guys, so that is what a nice polished edge looks like. Nice and smooth. Hard to see, but it feels perfectly smooth. Okay guys, if you have any other Kydex holster tips or tricks or how to make them nice and pretty, please put those in the comments below. Okay, thanks for watching.